Understanding Fly-by-Night, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the idiom, fly-by-night. This phrase might sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly. Fly-by-night is an idiom used to describe a person or business that is unreliable, untrustworthy, or not well established. The phrase suggests that the person or business may leave or stop operating without warning, often to avoid responsibility or debt. The phrase, fly-by-night, originally referred to a person who left town under the cover of night to avoid paying their debts. It has evolved over time to describe anyone who might not be reliable or who doesn't stay in one place for long. When using this phrase, you can say things like, "I wouldn't invest in that company. It seems like a fly-by-night operation." He's known for his fly-by-night business deals. This idiom is often used in a negative context to express doubt or mistrust. Other idioms with similar meanings include, here today, gone tomorrow, something or someone that is temporary or short-lived. Hit and run, someone who leaves quickly, especially to avoid trouble or responsibility. And that's a wrap on fly-by-night. Remember, it's an idiom used to describe something unreliable or temporary. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. See you in our next video.